Hello kiddos, welcome to Maths Fun Time. Today we are going to learn something super cool addition. Let's start with example 1. There are 3 butterflies flying in the sky. Then 2 more butterflies are coming. So total how many butterflies are flying? First 3 plus 2. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome! 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then example 2. There are 2 birds flying in the sky. Then one more is coming. So total how many birds are flying? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! 2 plus 1 equals 3. Example 3. 3 bees are flying. Then another 3s are coming. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome! 3 plus 3 equals 6. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Nurture Kids for more fun learning videos.